When you open IntractERP, you will see the dashboard as the first page. On the left hand side, you will see the features. Let us understand students first. When you click on students, you will see a list of all the students in the institution. If you want to add a student, click on Add Student button on the top. Fill in the details. Assign a classroom. This is very important. And then click on Submit. Now, if you want to view student details, click on Student and you can see all the student details. If you want to edit any details, click on Edit Student, edit the details and then Submit. You can disable a student from here. It will temporarily deactivate a student. If you want to delete a student, click on Delete button. Delete either current records, that is, records for the current year only, or delete all the records, that is, it will delete all the records of the student. You can also restore a student. Click on the settings icon on the top right. Go to Deleted Students record. From there, you can restore a student. Another important thing, whenever you see a list or a table just like the students here, you can export it by clicking on the Export button. It will export the data in an Excel sheet format. Thank you.